So hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to add or remove Google account in Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. So for this guys, first of all, you have to go to settings, then scroll down so that we have an option of account and backup. Just tap here and then go to manage account. So for adding the account guys, first of all, you have to click on add account, click to Google and then enter the email of the account. Okay, now click next. After that, you have to enter the password. Now click next. Click I agree. So as you guys see, the Gmail account is now added to my device. So this is how guys I can add Gmail account in Galaxy A55. But if you want to delete account or remove account, so again all you guys have to do, just go to manage account, and after that guys just click to the account which you want to remove. So click remove account and that is it. So that's how guys we can add or remove Google account in Galaxy A55 5G. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.